crash rating went up. Where do you attribute that pagtaas?
You know what? I have no idea. I
might
don't.
not, yeah.
I,
It's WS.
I don't look so much at the. It's of course it's nice to know. Except when you, I didn't know about that. But now that you tell me, of course I'm glad that it's that way. I guess it's just we just have to keep working. Wala naman whatever is happening, kahit na anong nangyayari, kahit may bagyo, kahit na may skandalo, kahit may gulo, ang taong bayan ay umaasa sa pamahalaan na tuloy ang serbisyo, tuloy ang trabaho ng pamahalaan, tuloy at every level, at the national level, at the local level, na tuloy-tuloy lang. Kami, mga public servant, kami ng mga hinalal ng taong bayan, ay dapat nakikita na hindi naglalaro na kung ano-ano ginagawa, namumuliti ka, whatever, basta nagtatrabaho lang para makapagserbisyo sa tao. I hope that's what it's coming from and I think so. All right, maraming salamat. Thank you.